Hey Jackson, I'm here at Prime Auto USA. We have this 2018 Nissan Titan Pro 4X. This truck has off-road capabilities and has enhanced suspension, which is optimized for off-road driving, offering a smoother ride over uneven surfaces. This truck comes also equipped with these 24-inch rims and a lift kit. This truck is also suitable for all of your heavy-duty tasks. With this hitch, you can pull up to 9,000 pounds. This truck comes with an enclosed bed as well as a leather interior. This truck also has touchscreen display as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a keyless entry. Are you ready to take your adventure to new heights with these 24-inch rims and this lift kit? Then head on over to see us at Prime Auto USA. We are located right off the 45 bypass, or call us at 731-624-1000. We look forward to seeing you.